Need to switch file formats fast? With pdfFiller, upload almost any kind of document and convert it to or from PDF. All in one place, no extra apps needed. Start by logging into your account. From the dashboard, upload your document. pdfFiller supports a wide range of file types like .doc, .docx, .ppt, .xlsx, .txt, .jpeg, .png, and more. Start editing your file right away in the PDF editor, or upload it to My Documents tab and convert it from there. After your file is uploaded, find it in your document list. Click More and choose Save As to convert it into the format you need, like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Next, decide where to save your new file. Download it to your device, or save it to cloud storage like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. If you need more options, click Advanced. Here, you can add more files to convert together, rearrange or delete pages, and preview your final document before converting. Choose how you want to export your file. Save just the content from the fillable fields, or add pdfFiller to the file name. You can also set a password to protect access to your file. Working with multiple documents? Download individually or all at once as a zip file. You can always track the status of each conversion right from your dashboard. Upload your file and convert it to your desired format in seconds.